come with us to St. Lucia. So we're currently at the airport waiting for our flight. Yeah, that's everybody that's going with us on this trip, including me. We're now heading into the plane. We're on board British Airways and we're almost there at St. Lucia's airport. And we are going down and down and we're almost there. Right there, that's St. Lucia. We have arrived at St. Lucia's International Airport. Heading to the hotel. So we've just arrived at the hotel. It's now 11:33 in the morning. We're on a road trip. Our first stop was Marigot Bay. We then visited this restaurant at Marigot Bay. The driver drove us down from the hill to the actual bay. There were surfboards all over the restaurant and you could have wrote your name, so this is me writing my name. On our way to the next stop, we drove by this guy with a boa constrictor. And guess what? Oh, yeah, I decided to touch it. It was actually very, very soft.
Where?
Wait for it.
What happened?
So we're here at the chocolate factory. It smells so good. Look at all of these different chocolates. Wow. So we're here at the chocolate factory and we're having lunch here. This is at the top. Now we're having lunch. We're having lamb and potato salad and rice. And that's Mount Pitons. They're 3 miles apart from each other and that's a mini volcano. We're currently at Soufriere Mountains.
Hey, mountain goat, stop eating a lot of.
Now we're here at the Sulphur Springs. That's very, very hot sulphur. We had a tour guide giving us some facts and then we headed down to the Mudpool for a mud bath. They are bubbling.
Up in the volcano there is a small community where about 80 persons live within the area. The persons who live there, they do farming. The soil is very fertile.
We took a dip, we exfoliated, and overall it was a very good experience. So if you ever visit St. Lucia, you should definitely do this.
Let's bring people out here to snorkel.
This is a small clip of a village by the name of Canaries. This shows how narrow the roads are here. This is Point Seraphine in Castries. We are at Port Seraphine and these are 2 cruise ships. So we just finished some shopping. This is day 2. We are here at Rainforest Adventures. We're about to do an aerial tram tour. We're supposed to do zip lining, but we're not, so yeah. Here's our little travel crew. Thank you so much for choosing Shantie's Adventurous Tours, for creating a memorable experience. We were given complimentary drinks and this little bird wanted some sips. How cute.
But you would have them, but they would have to sacrifice. They would make a sacrifice to get the boat.
Hi, little people.
Well, they say you go up in
A spice rum, or if they have it at home already, they take the little stuff in the spice rum, 1-2 shots, and that warm them
That
up.
one nice, everybody.
Well, if that's
And sleep.
yeah, I guess.
But if it listen, if you don't have nobody, there is no need to.
No, if you don't have nobody, so men will advise them. What?
I know I go to the church before. Plus in the
Good puppies for both of us.
Shantie's Adventures Tour, and we were having fun in
Seraphine.